I'm Dr. Madhumita P from Trichy, Tamil Nadu. I've enrolled in the Medline Academics course. We have simulator trainings for the ovum pickup, one for the embryo transfer and also for the IUI, and the other one for the hysteroscopy training. You will get a very clear practical experience on how to handle the ovum pickup machines and how to, how much of pressure to give, how to puncture, how not to rupture a blood vessel, and the number of times we've done on that has given us a little bit of confidence on how to go about it practically, and that has helped us in the clinical attachment. We are seeing it practically on how they are using the pressure pump for every single ovum pickup. You are exposed to a lot of cases here, right from basic cases which go in for an IUI, or also cases which have been on follow-up for the last 2 to 3 years, previous many IVF failures. We are seeing all the advanced and latest procedures and the investigations right from NK cell testing, beat ERA, even the EMA ALICE techniques. All these we are able to see here. We are able to interpret the reports and how to utilize them in routine practice. And the counseling session with Kamini ma'am was very good. Explained to us right from the basics on how to counsel a patient, on how should be your level of care, your kindness, your empathy towards those patients when especially giving a bad news. Over 15 days, we understand that there is no fixed protocol, there is no fixed dosage for everybody. On that understanding, we need to know how to apply it on our practice, and that is where Anu ma'am and Shantala ma'am give us a lot of practical points on how everything is patient-based, case-based, based on your hormone level, based on how much they stimulate to the drugs you're giving, and the response also. In ovum pickup, for example, we have seen pickup with a single lumen needle, also with a double lumen with flushing, and in which cases they go in for flushing and how different it is from the single lumen, and right from single embryo to two embryos transferred, and from the drugs which are given preoperatively till the follow-up of the patient. Thank you, Kamini ma'am, for organizing such a wonderful course which includes both the knowledge and practical points to help private practitioners, continue their studies along with doing their practice.